How to upload music to DistroKid. So the distance between your hard drive and Spotify is only about 90 seconds. But before you hit upload, you need to make sure your files aren't going to get rejected by the stores. So I'm showing you the flawless upload method today to get your music live without the headaches. Okay, so firstly, let us look at your assets. So you need high quality WAV, also known as WAV files. Do not upload MP3s, the stores will compress them anyway. Your cover art must be 3000 to 3000 pixels, square, JPEG format. Also, avoid QR codes, social media handles, and URLs on your art. If you include Spotify logos or website links, the stores will reject it instantly. Keep it clean, just your artist name and the song title. Now, let's fill out the form. You need to enter your song title, exactly how you want it to appear. No caps unless it's an acronym. Pay attention to the extras. I always recommend YouTube Content ID if you want to get paid when other people use your music in their videos. Also, use the Leave a Legacy option for your most important tracks. This ensures your music stays on stores forever, even if you stop paying your DistroKid subscription later. After that, just hit done. And your music is officially on its way. If this distribution guide helped you launch your career, smash that like button and subscribe.